can I please get a...
Yeah, baby. What?
Whoa.
Today is a monumental day.
HelloFresh is launching the first ever amateur food porn auditions.
Naughty.
I'm about to hit the kitchen and I'm gonna be making some food porn for you, baby.
Date night in the castle.
Yeah, baby!
So this is where the magic happens.
Feast your eyes on these sensuous, bad boy ingredients.
Look at this handsome hunk of meat.
Cabbage, reveal yourself.
I have a not-so-secret love for blue cheese.
Red currant jelly.
Get out of there.
Spanko breadcrumbs.
Alluring.
Crispy.
Sizzling.
Gravy.
Irresistible.
Mm-hmm.
I think it looks unbelievable. Juicy.
Baby, tell me what?
Show me your teddies.
Show me the tatties! Become the star of a HelloFresh ad by sending your most amazing and sensual shots of your food.
Tag your films with hashtag #HandsOnHelloFresh for your chance to win.
Yeah, baby, dinner is served.
Baby, this looks amazing.
Let's get it.
Yee! Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Baby.